MOIN. MOIN, or should I say bonjour. Welcome back to MOIN, the channel where we talk about sounds, stories and surprises in languages, especially in Low Saxon, also called Low German. Now here's something you may not have thought about. Low Saxon has some serious French flair. That's right, it's not all beer, barns and Buxtehude. There's a little bit of à la française sprinkled in too. À la française, French expressions in Low Saxon. When we talk about French influence on European languages, we usually think of national languages and also of Germanic language varieties spoken in places close to France. Alsace, Lorraine, Luxembourg, Flanders. But what about Low Saxon, a language farther away? Turns out we've been saying française things for centuries, sometimes without even knowing it. There were two big waves of French influence on Low Saxon. The first wave, in the 17th and 18th centuries, French was the language of culture, style, diplomacy, basically the thing of elite Europe. French loanwords trickled down from the nobility, often via High German, and in the Netherlands via Dutch, into regional dialects in the original language of the North, Low Saxon, also known as Low German. Second wave, Napoleon happened. The French army occupied the Netherlands and northern Germany, so Low Saxon speakers had direct contact with French people, especially with soldiers. That left a linguistic footprint. Think of it as military-grade language borrowing, the kind that comes with boots, bayonets, and bilingual banter. There wasn't only animosité, no, also quite a bit of fraternité, at least a lot of communier and parler. So, first you had powdered wigs demanding une serviette propre at the dinner table. Then came boots on the ground, and the soldiers brought their own parole. One famous example, Fritz Reuter's Ute Franzosentiet, stories from the time of the French occupation in Mecklenburg, full of Frenchisms that stuck. Now let's get to the fun part, the words. Some stayed close to the original, some got mangled, and others took on new meanings, like they went through a Plattdeutsch car wash. And you'll see, while some of these French loans faded in Standard German, in Platt they're alive and kicking, and some of them had bypass German. Pauvre, pauverig, pauvre. By det lyd geit et heel pauverig toe. Proper, propre. Die Nove sind doch dessen propere Dejen. Méchant, méchant. Mijn boss is een heel méchanten kerel. Venins, venin. Dat het sy heel venins achter mijn rug doen. Commode, commodig, commode. Dusse rouwbank is bannig commodig. Obstinat, obstination, obstiné. De jong is toe en toe obstinat. Compabel, capable. De door kerel is in alles heel compabel. Content, content. Ik ben content met mijn leven hier op Durpen. Passe la tante, passer le temps. So pas latent het ze die Sorg mit rinschoven. Estimeeren, estimé. Al det statly dood pasta klosen estimeeren. Defenderen, verdefenderen. Défendre. Bij de kabelei kon ik hem niet verdefenderen. Tribuleren. Tribulation. Troublé. Ik wil die nicht mit min Fragerei tribuleren. Malheuren. Malheur. Wenn immer bloß nix Malheuren deit. Kajolen. Kariol. Die malhört noch wat, wenn du so Kajolen daist. Chaisen. Chaise. In Einzentau schäst sie hin und zurück. Kleur. Couleur. Ich kann und kann mich nicht ob'n Kleur festlegen. Beschüt. Biskuit. Die Seelü kriegen Forken nix als Beschütten und Rum. Bredouille. Bedrouille. Bredouille. Bedien down, kommst du noch in de Bredouille. Tral. Tri. He sit al 20 Jahre achter Tralen. Kaschott. Kaschot. In Kaschott het he neue Knäb leert. Parement. Appartement. Dat Parement is aan het eind van de deel. La main. La main. Zij kon dat dichtels uit dem La main opzeggen. There are loads more and the pronunciation gets really fun in some dialects. So if your grandma ever says, ik moet partout naar het Parlement, she's not just headed to the bathroom, she's echoing Versailles. So, next time someone tells you Low Saxon is just a simple clodhopper's tongue, tell them, oui, mais à la mode. Languages are sponges, and Low Saxon soaked up more than just rain and pickled herring brine. Want to learn more words? Leave a comment, and maybe I'll make part 2 of à la française. Platt has enough French words in its repertoire. Thanks for watching MOIN. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share this with your ami or just your oma. Hold die fuchtig. And as the French Lüd like to say, à bientôt. Tschüss.